it's a first impression video. You've never seen me do one of these. Now, this will not be I come back in about 12 hours though. This will be I come back and I do a proper review in 1 week. I like to give things a fair chance. Okay, so today you will see me apply the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation in the colour number 36 Warm Sun. Now this looks dark as fuck, but I assure you it is not. It matches me pretty good. Over top you will see me apply and how I use the Nikkia Joy powder. I'm not even going to use concealer with this foundation because I want to see just how much coverage this baby gives. I am primed with the MAC strobe cream, right? So I have a little bit on my beauty blender and I have a little bit on my arm. So I'm just going to dot it around my face. And I have a mirror here somewhere, lads, because oh sweet Jesus, you know, I have to be able to see what I'm doing. And you're just going to dot it around your face. My beauty blender is a beauty blender. I am not using the Nikkia Joy Pro Perfecting Sponge because I've only just washed it. I used it yesterday, so I washed it this morning. Oh, no, sorry, I apologise. I washed it last night before I went to visit my best BFF. Now, I'm not sure if you can see this. And yes, I do look like a scruff bag, people. Now, I'm going to scrutinise this in the mirror, as you do. Oh, yes. I think I've been tan good enough, lads. Right. You just have to keep blending this in. Now, it doesn't feel dry on the skin. One pump has literally covered my entire face, lads. I'm trying to get you a good view so you can see. Now, I am going to put another bit, actually I'm not even going to put any more on because I still have shit in the back of my hand. So I'm going to put this onto the point of the beauty blender. Take my mirror and see if I can get any coverage under the eye. Oh, easy, easy. The answer, I'm not sure using this as a concealer under the eyes is a good idea, lads, but sure, you know, if you're going to test a nail product out, you have to fucking make sure, see how versatile it is. And no, I am not taking the piss here, guys. I'm just putting a tiny bit around the dry area. I have a damp beauty blender and I'm just going to blend it around the bottom of the under eye area and then just let a little tiny bit of it come up over my little eyelids. Now, I do not have the world's best camera equipment, lads, so if you are expecting perfection, you can swing your bolts elsewhere. Right. Around the old nosy rosy. The foundation is on. Now, do I like the look of this? I have got a 5x mirror here, boys and girls, so we're going to have a look in a 5x mirror. Don't like it under the eyes, I'll say that now. It's manky under the eyes, but you know what? It's on now, so it may stay. No, it doesn't do anything for you under the eyes if you're over 40, lads. You're fucked. Looking at it now, this is a 5x mirror here. No visible pores. Covered my psoriasis patches very well. Doesn't appear to be sinking into any lines or wrinkles at the moment, but that may change over time. Maybe a little bit on the smile lines here, lads. But it's not gross. So we're going to see if we can do a job on this now with the Nikkia Joy setting powder. I have enough for a full face application in the top of the jar. So we're going in with the setting powder. Beauty blender, dip her in there now. Tap. I know they say this is the way the young ones do set their makeup, and us old ones need to do it differently. And that is, then I take my little pink brush, which is a setting brush by Real Techniques, and I go in and I just go over where I put the foundation again, my chin, my nose, and then once I have that done, lads, whatever's left in that goes on this big powder brush by Real Techniques and gets dusted on my cheeks. It facilitates good contouring and good blush and highlight application. Well, you have to put a little bit on the cheeks, because I find if I don't, because of the psoriasis that's on my skin, the rest of my makeup will not blend. The contour will not blend, blush will not blend, and I just touch my skin to make sure it's completely dried down. I'm going to have an examine of this now in a bog standard Joe Soap mirror. Like the colour. I've got good coverage. The coverage I like, lads. I don't like full coverage, but I don't like even skin tone. Nice, like it. Now up close here now, under a microscope, shall we see. Ah, that powder is very good. The foundation is no longer sitting in my smile lines. Nose, my Rudolph nose is covered. That's have to say, so far so good. That skin looks pretty good. Now I've dry skin. I want to see if it starts to suck the moisture out of it later on during the day. So far, first impression of this foundation is good. I will come back to you in a few days and I will update you on as to whether or not I would recommend it to my dry-skinned over 40-year-old perimenopausal whatever ladies out there. So God bless, take care, have a lovely weekend. Don't do what I wouldn't do. If you have subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. You're very welcome to the family. Ho ho ho, Christmas is coming, so Santa. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, why the fuck not? Yeah, click the red button and the bell next to it. When I get a bright idea, you get a notification. Right, lads, have a lovely weekend. God bless. Agus Lán.